If you place your hands over your ears with your thumbs pointing up, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Now let's do it for 2 minutes. But remember, don't exert too much pressure. The Bai Hui Point, start. Ever had one of those days where a headache just won't let go? Or moments when dizziness throws you off balance? You are not alone. Today, we're exploring acupressure, an age-old technique to tackle these very issues. Ready to find some relief? Let's dive in. The Fengchi Point. If you place your hands over your ears with your thumbs pointing up, your thumbs will naturally rest on this point, right in a small dimple at the back of your neck. That's where the Fengchi Point is. When stressed or affected by wind, pressing this point can be quite soothing. Gently massaging it in circular motions for a minute and then reversing the direction for another minute, you'll find it not only relaxes the neck but also improves circulation. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. The Bai Hui Point. How to find it? It's pretty simple. Just align the tips of your thumbs with the topmost part of your ears. Stretch your middle fingers up, letting them meet at the crown. There, you might feel a subtle dimple or an area bursting with energy. By pressing this point gently for just 2 minutes, you'll feel a sense of balance and calm. Now let's do it for 2 minutes. But remember, don't exert too much pressure. The Bai Hui Point, start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. The Hurried Point. Hurried Point, known for alleviating pain. You can spot it on the back of your hand, nestled between your thumb and index finger. Look for the pinnacle of the crease these two fingers form. Inside the muscle there lies the Hurried. Simply massage and press it until any soreness fades away, usually within 2 minutes. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Don't forget to perform the massage on both hands, and for optimal results, do it 3 times a day.